Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to everyone. Now this video want to discuss about petua bibir. Okay, petua bibir mouth tips. Okay, in index number. Right. So this is the easiest way to find to solve problems in index number chapter in index number. Okay, straight away let's discuss the questions that involve in petua bibir. Okay, that we can use petua bibir to solve any question. Okay, example 1, for example, alright, table 14 show the price indices and the weightage of 4 products E, F, G, H which are selling by a company. So this is the table, the weightage, and this is the price index 2015 base year 2013. Okay, so A, alright, the price of product F, so this is the price of product F in the year 2015 is 74 ringgit and 10 cents. So the price of product F 2015 equals to 74.10. Find the corresponding price of product F in the year 2013. Okay, from here we know that we can collect the information. The price index 2015 base year 2013 equals to 114, and the question asks you to find the price corresponding price product F 2013. Okay, by using the formula, let's construct price index 2015 base year 2013 equals to 114. Okay, therefore, and then 114 is price index for the year 15 base year 13, so equals to price index 2015 divided by corresponding year 2013 times 100, and then substitute the value of price in the year 2015. So 114 equals to 74.10 price 2013 times 100. Okay, bring here. So price 2013 equals to 74.10 over 114 times 100 equal to, using the calculator, so 65. Alright. So this is not the usage of petua bibir yet. Okay, just to discuss. Okay, the corresponding price. Okay, the meaning of corresponding price. Okay, so now we are going to use the petua bibir tips. Okay, the easier way to solve question in index number. So question B, straight away let's discuss. The price of product E increased 82% from the year 2013 to the year 2014. Calculate the price index of product E in the year 2017 base year 2015. Okay, so from here we collect all the information here. Alright, so the first, what do we do? Okay, we follow step by step. Okay, the step 1, okay, identify the years involved. Is it involving 3 different years? Of course, yes, because okay, from the question involved 2013, 2015, and now for question B 2017. So we mark, okay, apply the petua bibir. Okay, this is the situation. First step, okay, year involved is 2013, 2015, and 2017. And from the table we know that for product E, okay, product E is 130 base year 2015 base year 2013. Okay, so this is involved from 2013 base 2015. Okay, 2015 base year 2013 is 130. So where did I get is from the table, right? The price index 2015 base year 2013 equals to 130, right? So and then okay, from the question B we know that the product E increased 82% from the year 2013, right? 2013, okay, 2013 to the year 2017. So it increased 82%. That means okay, 100 plus 82%. Okay, plus meaning increase. If decrease meaning subtract. Increase addition. Okay, and then back to the question. Calculate the price index in the year 2017. Okay, this is the year 2017. Base year 2015. Base year 2015. So this is alright. This is the question asks you to find. Okay, so fill in the blank based on the information given. Alright, so from the petua bibir, okay, this is the situation happen, right? Right. Kalau if there is no 3 years involved, that means okay, no. Alright. So step 3, okay, after finish fill in the blank, fill in the box of the information given, then step 3 work out. Okay. So from here, okay, 130. This is how we calculate. 130. Alright. So times. Okay. So the question mark here is price 2017 in the year base year 2015 divide by must divide. Okay, must divide 100. So equal to 2017 base year 2017 base year 2013 equals to 100 plus 82. And then rearrange, okay, rearrange back 100 times, okay, 100 times bring to the right hand side, and 130 become division. Therefore price index year 2017 divided by 2015 equals to 182 times 100 divided by 130. Again, I want to state it here. Okay, even though there is no 100 from here, so you must divide. Okay, these two must be divided by 100. And then rearrange using the calculator. So the answer equals to 140. Okay, so this is how we apply. Okay, apply the Petua Bibe to solve if there is involving 3 different years. Okay, this is just a tips and the formula of price index and composite index. Okay, let's look straight away question to discuss question 2. Okay, table 13 show the cost and the weightage of 3 ingredients. Okay, A, B, and C you used to make a type of biscuits. Alright, so the price index ingredient A and B in the year 2016 base year 2013 are 150 and 140. So we look up, okay, write down the information given. The price index for A, okay, equals to 150, and price index for B equals to 140. And then respectively. Alright, so this is the information given. Okay, straight away, okay, calculate the question B. Alright, calculate the composite index for the cost of all cost. Okay, composite index for the cost of all the ingredient in the year 2016 base year 2013. Okay, so what do we do? Right, by using the composite index formula, right, kita let's find the value of composite index 2016 and 2013. Okay, so from here, before that, we must know how to find the composite index for C, right? Or price index for C. Okay, so price index C equals to, right, 2016 is 10 ringgit. Okay, divide by 8 ringgit times 100. So we get price index C is 125. Okay, calculate the composite index 2016. So composite index 2016 in the year 2013 for all ingredients. Okay, so weightage for A, B, and C is given. Therefore, so 150 is price index for A times 20 plus 140 times the weightage is 50 plus 125 is ingredient C times weightage is 30 and divide by total weightage 20 plus 50 plus 30. And then using the calculator, right, you get 13750 divided by 100. Therefore, okay, the composite index in the year 2016 base year 2013 is 137.50. So why I need to find this composite index? Because we are going to use this value to solve using Petua Bibe. Okay, let's look at C. Right, question C. Okay, the cost of all ingredient increased 10%. All increased 10% in the year 2016 to the year 2017. Find composite index for the cost of all ingredient 2017 base year 2013. Okay, so by using the flowchart of Petua Bibe, right, identify the years involved. Is it involving 3 years, different 3 years? Of course, yes. Okay, why? Okay, from the question, okay, 2013, 2016, and now for question C, 2017 is involved. Okay, and then fill in the blank based on the information given. So the first year 2013, and then 2016 and 2017. Alright, for all, okay, this is important thing. Composite index for all the ingredients in the year 2017 and 13. So that means we have to use 137. Alright, we have to use this information because this is the composite index for all ingredient 2016 base year 2013. Right, so we use this information to fill in the box 2013. Right, 2013 2016 is 137.50. Right, because of this is the price, the composite index for 2016 base year 2013. Okay, from the question, it is given that increase 10% 2017 to the year 2016. That means 100 plus 10. Okay, the increase, the ingredient increase 10% from 17 base year 2016. And the question asks you to find composite index 2017. Okay, base year 2013. Okay, base year 2017, base year 2013. So this is the question asks you to find. Alright. So and then step 3, work out. Okay, so use the information 137.50 times 100 plus 10. Okay, must be divided by 100. This is the tips. Okay, the petu the tips. Okay, equal to the composite index for 2017 base year 2013. Okay, therefore by using the calculator, okay, the composite index for all ingredient for the year 2017 base year 2013 equal to 151.225. Okay, so this is how we use the petu bibir to solve the question in index number. Okay, this is the easier way. Alright, I hope you can remind okay this kind of formula or tips so that you can apply to solve any question in index number. Okay, I hope you understand and you can apply during your examination. Right, until now, thank you.